Art Friends. Today we are going to draw a dachshund.
Yeah, a leprechaun dachshund to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. We hope you're going to follow along. All right, you need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's first start with our little dachshund's nose. I'm going to draw it a little to the left, but not too far over. That way we have room for the long body. I'm going to draw it about here so that we have room also for the ears. And then let's draw a little highlight inside, or a circle, and then we can color in the nose but leave that little circle white. That makes our dog's nose shiny or wet. And we're going to draw the mouth, the little U shape coming out to the left and also out to the right. And then let's draw the eyes. We could draw a circle this size and the same size circle over here on the right to match. And then let's draw a little highlight in each eye, just like we did for the nose. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Then let's draw the shape of our dog's head. I'm going to start here above the eyes, and we're going to draw the letter U coming around and back up on the other side, but we want to stop kind of in the same spot, or the same height. Yeah. And then up here, let's draw the top of the head, but I'm leaving a little space so that it's not connected on both sides. Now let's draw the ears. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw it coming out and then out further and then back in for little floppy ears. And then we could do that same shape on the other side. Well, it's a little different, but that's okay. Oh, I like yours. It's looking really cute.
Thanks.
Let's add our leprechaun hat. I'm going to draw two little lines sticking out of the top of the head. And then we can connect those. I'm drawing a curve that matches the top of the head. And then we can also draw two longer lines. We're going to draw a top hat. Leprechaun top hat. And then we're going to connect those also. I'm trying to match that curve with the head also. And then let's draw a buckle. So we're going to draw a little square in the middle. And then we could draw a smaller square inside. And then we can draw the band that goes around the hat. So two little lines that go out from the buckle. There we go. It's looking really cute, except we need the body. Let's draw a little leprechaun suit on our dog first. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw two lines coming down from the chin. Let's draw the bow tie first. We're going to draw right here. I'm going to draw a little square, and then we can draw two diagonal lines coming down, and then we'll connect the end of the bow tie up to the chin. Now let's draw the little suit. I'm going to start here next to the bow, and we're going to draw it coming down closer towards the middle. So it gets further away at the bottom, or closer together in the middle. Then we can connect those at the bottom. This is the jacket. And let's also draw a little collar. I'm going to start here on the side, and we'll draw a sideways letter V. Let's match on the other side too. And then we'll draw a diagonal line coming down to the middle corner. Then let's draw a V right underneath the bow tie. This is for the vest. And we can draw an upside down V down here. Then we can draw a little button in the middle. Okay, now let's draw the little dog paws down here coming out of the bottom of our suit. Then we can also add two little toe lines. Now we need to draw our dachshund's body. We're going to draw it coming out to the side. I'm going to draw the back curving out and then coming down. Okay. Then right here, we're going to draw the paw, so we can turn that into a little U shape. And then we can draw a diagonal line going up to the left. And then we're going to connect the bottom with the belly line. And we could also draw the other leg or paw behind the body. Oh, let's add those two little paw lines too, or toe lines. What are we missing?
Its tail.
Yeah, let's draw a curve coming out and then curving back down. We did it! We finished drawing a little dachshund and it looks super cute, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match her same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our dachshunds and they turned out awesome. I especially love the little balloon you added.
Yeah, I tied it to his tail. He looks like he's kind of flying away.
I also added a clover, and our friends could add whatever they want. They could finish their drawings by adding a background.
Or maybe even a pot of gold.
That would be awesome.
We hope you had fun drawing a leprechaun
We
dachshund.
do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we also want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.